Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Darul Arqam School FB Area Campus online classes for the new session. This is the video for classes science. Today we are going to revise the unit atoms and molecules which we have already started during the physical classes. Now we are going to do some work on the notebook today. First of all, prepare a colorful title page on your notebook for atoms and molecules. Then just in front of it, write a heading of work summary and write a summary with your blue pen and headings with black pen. You have to write the date of started on and finished on, and then a description and detail about the work which we are going to do on book and on notebook. Just below that, you have to write a heading of key points. As we have learned about it already, you have to write at least 5 to 7 points about the chapter, that what you have learned in it, what is atom, what is molecules, what we have learned about the elements and compounds. Okay. Now on next page, write down the date when you are watching this video. The date should be the similar one. And then take the CW box. You have to write the heading of question answers on the first line. Short question answer heading on the first line with your black pen. And write question number 1 from page 61, that is, how would you define an atom? We have already discussed about it during the class that atom is a mixture of 3 main components, that is proton, neutron and electron. The place where proton and neutron are placed, that is called nucleus, and that is the brain of that atom. Electrons usually rotates around the nucleus in their different orbits. The first orbit always consists 1 to 2 electrons and the outermost consists more than that. Electron has the negative charge while proton and neutron have the positive charge. So you have to write it in your own words, but this is a short question answer. Write just 3 to 4 lines about it. Question number 2 from page 61 is, why do metals have higher melting and boiling points than non-metals? So you can find the answer from page 56 as well. On page 56 we have learned about the difference between the metals and non-metals, and we have learned that metals are the good conductor of heat and electricity, but non-metals are the bad conductor of heat and electricity. That's why metals have high melting and boiling points, but non-metals have low melting and boiling points. You can see the picture here where the metal is getting to be heated up. A metal can be easily heated because it is a good conductor of heat. So its melting point and boiling point is really high. You have to write the answers by yourself. On the next page, again take the HW box now and you have to write a question number 3 from page 61. Why do atoms form molecules? So what we have learned about the molecules? When different atoms join together, they form a molecule. As you can see in a picture, there is one picture about atom and one is about molecule. In atom you can see there are many electrons orbiting around the nucleus, but when these electrons are going to be added or going to be distracted by another atom electrons, then they form a molecule. As you can see, there is a water molecule on the screen. In this, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom have shared their electrons with the same orbit, so they are forming a molecule now. You have to write this answer by yourself in your own words. Question number 4 is, carbon dioxide is made up of carbon and oxygen. Can we split carbon dioxide into its component and explain it? As I have explained you about the molecule of water in the previous question, in question number 3, now you can easily elaborate the description about carbon dioxide as well. Okay. Now here comes your homework. You have to make a title page of unit 6 and do the given short question answers on your notebook. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.